MC Creative.
Hi, welcome to MC Creative. Today we're going to be making 2 awesome paper airplanes. So we are going to show you how to make these awesome airplanes. First up we have drill plane. So this one, when it dives, it spirals.
It goes twisty.
It goes around through. So,
And for our second airplane,
we have that.
it is the family fun plane, we call it.
So,
This one has plenty of windows and wings.
and this one goes straight. Kind of like a dart almost, but
Like a bird.
not a dart.
We'll show you how to make the drill plane now.
So this is the drill plane. So you start with folding both even in the middle. Increase those well. And then you fold this over there again. Same on the other side. Sorry. Okay, we have most of our drill plane. There's one more fold. One. So we're gonna do this. And now the most very important step. So there we go. That is the drill plane. So we are gonna do one more plane, and this will be the family fun ship. So this is the family fun ship. As you can see, this is the family fun ship. It flies very nice. So it's kind of the same thing as the drill plane, because you start with the 2 corners down and do that like so. And then you do this also like the drill plane. Let's get those in. Close them very, very well. Fold it in half like the drill plane. And then there's one step that makes it the family fun ship besides the other. You fold these down, flip it, fold these down, and there you have it. A nice plane. So this is the drill plane. I'm going to show you how far it can go outside. So let's see how far. And go! Oh my, that's pretty far too actually. It drove into the ground. That's cool. Let's try it one more time. Okay, so we're gonna. Yeah? So we are gonna throw this family fun ship. This is the second one we made. Let's go. And kind of close to the ground with the other one. Kind of like a drill almost.
Bye. Hope you had fun at MC Creative.
Those paper airplanes went really far. I hope you enjoy making them and watching them fly.
Fly, baby, fly. So, we want you to smack that like and hit subscribe. There will be more videos and
More fun. See you
And-
next time.
bye!